Staying at Fontainebleau Las Vegas 2025. Luxury room tour, pool, dining, and more. Outside shot of the Fontainebleau sign or entrance. You walking into the hotel with excited expression. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm checking into one of the newest luxury resorts on the Vegas Strip, the stunning Fontainebleau Las Vegas. Newly opened and absolutely next level in 2025. Let us go explore what this place is all about. Room tour shots, unlocking the door pan over the bed, view, bathroom, minibar, lighting. Tech features, I booked a type of room, for example, standard king with strip view, and wow, the moment you walk in, it feels luxurious. The design is sleek and modern with nods to Miami Art Deco. Check out that view of the Strip. Pool plus amenities. Walking through the pool area, close-ups of cabanas, pool bars, people lounging, you enjoying a drink or relaxing. Fontainebleau's pool scene is unreal, -7 pools. Luxury cabanas and a super chill vibe. It feels upscale but still fun, and the service on point. Dining and bars menus, cocktails, plating of food, sitting down at one of the top restaurants or casual cafes, bartender making a drink. There are over 30 restaurants and bars here, from high-end spots to grab-and-go cafes. Tonight, I'm dining at restaurant name, and trust me, it's worth every bite. Spa plus shopping, spa entrance, ambient lighting boutique shops. Fashion displays, you browsing or booking a service. If you want a break from the casino and nightlife, the LIV Spa is the place to relax. And shopping? Think designer luxury meets curated boutiques. Nightlife, casino lights and games. Entrance to LIV Nightclub or bar scenes. You having a drink or dancing. The nightlife here is, I checked out LIV, the famous Miami club now in Vegas, and the energy was unreal. Fontainebleau definitely knows how to party. Final thoughts. You back in the room, city lights behind you, sunset or night view of the Strip. Overall, Fontainebleau Las Vegas is a vibe, luxury, fun, and serious attention to detail. Let me know in the comments, would you stay here? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bonus tips for your video, add on-screen text with prices, room type, or restaurant names. Use upbeat royalty-free music. Include a thumbnail with you in front of the Fontainebleau. Sign in bold text. Inside Fontainebleau Las Vegas 2025.